Today there will be no extra talks, so let's dive right into the theme of this video, which is how you can zoom with a prime lens. First method I'm going to cover today is called clear image zoom, and it is a function that will allow you to enlarge your image inside of your camera digitally with close to the original quality. Now, how to actually turn on and use clear image zoom? Go to the menu, select your second tab and find the zoom option. All you need to do now is to assign this clear image zoom function to a custom button on your camera. For the next method, you will need a full-frame camera that can operate in APS-C mode. APS-C stands for Advanced Photo System Type C, and it is basically a type of image sensor used in cameras. These sensors are also called Super 35, which means they are smaller than full frame. That means that if I will use a 55mm lens on my A7S Mark II and I will enable the APS-C mode, I will get something like 82mm lens because of the crop factor, which is 1.5. Then it will look like your image is much more zoomed in, but without losing any quality. So with these two methods or functions, you will always have two lenses with you, even if you have only one single prime lens. Well, that's it for today, guys. I really hope that this video was helpful, and if you like it, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you next time. Bye!